Okay, so we're over at our table now and we're going to build this wonderful set and then do a quick review on it. So I'm going to start the build, speed it up, and then we'll do the review. Okay, so we now have the set complete. The quick review is, I like it. It's very basic. It's not a complicated set, and it doesn't take rocket science to put this together. So ages 4 to up, as it says on the package, yeah, for sure. Whether this is the new style juniors and they're not labeling them as juniors, I'm not sure. But anyway, we have the turnstile here with 2 colors, orange and yellow, of the trans clear plates, and that looks really cool there. I love the printed bricks. This is what I love about this set, because you know how I feel about Lego and stickers. I hate them. This set has no stickers. It's all printed bricks. Why they can't do that for any other sets, I don't know. They're going to produce as many of these as they did a lot of the Disney sets, and a lot of the Disney sets came with stickers, so please, why don't you make them printed for everything? Anyway, has a little cart here, and in the little cart we have a popsicle, a pizza, and a balloon. And balloons are pretty cool, especially at amusement parks. So this is like a little food trolley that can be used in the amusement park. And once you enter the ride here, of course, you come up some steps. Now this plate here, this gray plate, is unique. It's all one piece. It looks like it can be joined in multiple sections because there's an indent here, here, and here. And then on this one, it would fit into that indent, so you can make bigger bases. So that's kind of a unique part. First time I've seen that. I like these printed bricks here as well, only there's something wrong with them. Do you notice it? They're not symmetrical. They're the same print on both bricks. So one should be reverse of the other, just to make it look a little bit better. That's just my opinion, rather than the same one. But I know this is for kids, and kids will just build and they don't really care symmetrical or not. Anyway, the little Caterpillar roller coaster, it works well on this. It's very swooshable and playable for kiddies. For its size, it's a nice size track. Really like that. You know, for $24, it's within it's within the price range that I would say that it would be decent for this set. Little Caterpillar thing. You see these at the local fairgrounds that go around in the portable fairs. They have these like little things, and maybe they have a little lump in them that they go up and down type of thing. And I remember my child lost his hat on the Caterpillar at the fair many years ago. It fell off. We got it back, but it was on a little ride like this, and it's a memory that has never gone away. And you know, those are the things that life is made of, the nice memories and stuff like that. So for the fair parks, and this is really cool. $24.99 for set 10771, the Carnival Thrill Coaster, 98 pieces, ages 4+. And the other sets are starting to come out now. Like I said, only one Walmart had them open here had them out here. The other one did not. They're not supposed to be out till next week, apparently, but they put them out early, so I snatched this one up early because I wanted it to go in my Toy Story land in the amusement park. Obviously, I was thinking of putting it in like this, and the squid guy or octopus in the other set that's coming out in the Toy Story line, the Toy Story 4 line, that is. And I'll put the little link up here for it, or the picture. And however, the price on that is going to be $69.99 Canadian, and that rots my socks. I don't think it should be worth that. It should be worth about $35 or $40, $39.99 tops for that set, for what's in there. So I guess once again, this is a Disney franchise that has to pay for Disney parks, so I don't know what's going on with the pricing between that and Star Wars. So even though I really wanted that octopus, I will just get the instructions, probably just build him myself, and not buy the set. Way too rich for my liking. I don't like the price on that for that. This one was in reason, just because of the prices of the pieces themselves add up to almost that here in Canadian. So with that being said, it was easy just to go buy this set for these parts. So it remains to be seen what I'll end up to doing with this set in my Toy Story land, because my Toy Story land is a bit cramped. So we'll see. There may be some modifications, but anyway, stay tuned for that. Great little set. I love the fact that it is purple track. It's pretty cool. And the lime green cars. So you get 3 cars, so you can do lots with that. The little buggy thing on the front, that's really cool. And once again, that's printed as well, so that's pretty neat. And has a camera up here to take pictures of the kiddies when they come around the track. So this is more of a kiddies ride type of thing. So use your imagination and have fun with this set. Go and buy them. It's great. I love this set. One of my favorites from this Toy Story 4 line. I think the next one would be the RV. On top of that, the price points on all the other Toy Story 4 sets are just out of the league once again. Anyway, that's it for this review, and I will talk to you guys again shortly.
Here's a close-up of the front and the entrance and the balloon trolley, treat trolley, and of course you can see the little cart going around the back with the alien and Buzz Lightyear on it. And of course I really like that sort of caterpillar printed face on the front of that brick for the coaster. That really is a neat detail, and like I said before, all the printed bricks, A1 in my book. Can't beat it. I hate stickers, love printed bricks. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.